What's going on YouTube? I got this quick little video and I'm up here at the shop about to go ahead and do my little setup so I can make sure I get this video, get the lights and stuff on. Ooh, Elevation Grooming Studio, yeah. Alright, so get my lights on. Whew. Alright, just got this right here, little Godox light, and I'm about to go ahead and switch the scene now. Super random. This is super random today. I wasn't even thinking about no tattoos at all, and I'm just like, you know what? I'm gonna get my logo tatted on me today. So random. So random. I'm very random sometimes. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like, I get excited about something and I want it done right then and there. But I'm working on my patience, like for real. I guess they could be a good and bad thing, but I just do what feels good for me. So, but I want to share it too, you know, why I'm getting it. So the main reason why I'm getting this tattoo is because it's just, like I said, it's a symbol of me and what it means and the definition of it, just as far as like my whole thought process when I opened up this shop. Like when I opened up my shop, I was like, everything that I'm gonna do is gonna be elevated to the next level, and I'm gonna constantly be trying my best to elevate all my services and just make sure that it's on point. So yeah, man, let me bring this in a little bit. I don't really, this is super duper wide. Yeah, that's better. But yeah, so yeah, what it means to me pretty much is just, you know, where I always want to be in life, as far as just how I wake up every day, making sure I'm being better and elevating myself and evolving, and just making sure I represent Black excellence, represent somebody who worked hard and didn't hold back and just put in a lot of work. You know, I got help along the way from friends, family. I'll be allowed to sit here today and say that I did this on my own. So, and then just having great clients, amazing clientele, and understanding what customer service really means. Just understanding the business aspect of that. Like, you got to really take care of your people in order to really have a great thriving business. And I'm making those strides. So let's get into this video. I don't want to keep going too much into blah blah, but yeah, this is a video, you about to see it, and my logo is about to go down. Elevation Grooming Studios, man, we out. So I noticed that when I put up in my garage last night that my headlight was out, so I got to get that fixed before I go get this tattoo. So let's go ahead and take care of that, because your boy ain't trying to get no ticket for a headlight being out. Yeah, see you on the flip. All right, so we are here. We at the tattoo shop. I'm about to let Lisa go ahead and do this ink work on me, get my logo on my arm, and I'm probably more than likely gonna be done after this. So this is what I really wanted. It means something to me, and we're about to get this started. Come on. So this is Lisa right here, tattoo artist. She's great, and I'm gonna make sure I put her tag right there, her Instagram tag. That way y'all can follow her ink work. And if y'all in Oklahoma City, y'all go and check her out. So other than that, see y'all in a bit. Anyway, so I'm gonna let y'all just, I'm gonna ask her a few questions so y'all can kind of get to know a little bit, give a little bit of, I'm gonna have her give a little bit of background about herself, and that way, I really want y'all to reach out to her if y'all interested. So, where you from, and how long you been doing tattoos?
I'm from Oklahoma City, born and raised, South Side. I've been doing tattoos. I started in 2015. I've been doing steady for about 2 years now.
Okay. So what made you take the leap to just say, I'm about to start getting into tattoos real heavy? Say you only been doing it 2 years, so.
Yeah, like consistently.
Consistently, okay.
Yeah.
So you start off like at the house or?
Yeah, okay. I started off at the house.
Okay.
Kind of underground.
Okay.
I mean, I've always been artistic, so I figure why not? You know, I like to be my own boss, do my own thing.
Gotcha.
Have my own schedule.
So I'm gonna put the questions on pause because we got some music going on in the background. We're gonna wait till it kind of quiet down a little bit, and I'll probably have to ask her over again, but it's all good. So I'm gonna make sure I get back to y'all. So what I tell people is just hit record. Like that's the only thing. Like, you know, I don't care if it's your iPhone, your whatever type of phone you have. If you do got a DSLR camera or anything like that, just hit record. That way you got something to edit.
Right.
So I know a lot of times when we get so focused in our work that we forget to hit record because it's like, I gotta take care of this client. But you do have to take out the time to set up your phone, maybe the lights or whatever.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Just to capture the footage, because people, they in love with seeing the process.
Oh, okay.
The finished result, it's like, okay, yeah, that's great, but like they get more excited about you once they see like how it went down.
Gotcha.
So let's just hit and record more, and then you learn how to edit later on. But just YouTube as much as possible. That's how I learned most of the things as far as like just promoting myself with content.
Yeah.
I do YouTube. Anything I didn't know, I just typed in how to edit, how to Photoshop, and I just over time I just pick it up.
Yeah, that's how I saw one artist who wears a holder around his neck while he's tattooing.
Gotcha. Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I've been seeing those the GoPros, right?
Well, it looks like just his phone.
Okay.
Yeah. I do have a GoPro. I just don't.
Yeah.
Haven't used it.
Turn it on. Turn it on.
I gotta get hip to the game.
My butt hurt.
Booty hurt.
Oh. Ooh, let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Ooh. Oh yeah. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Oh yeah. That's nice. Let's go. Elevation, baby. Elevation Grooming Studio. That's the shirt. Yeah. Alright, YouTube, it is a wrap. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Like I said, this tattoo means something to me. My first business, my first baby. And make sure y'all follow Lisa, dope tattoo artist. And that's the only person I go to. So next time I'll be on the YouTube video. I'm gonna hit y'all with another one. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but I'm gonna come with some fire content. I'm out. Peace.